Hi everyone, it's Nancy with Stampy Before Anything Else, and welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. We're going to make this card right here using some of the new free Celebration designer series paper. Celebration is that wonderful time of year where you can get free product with a purchase. So we're going to get started. This is a pretty basic card, very quick and simple, and you can substitute any items, any stamps that you have at home, any paper. Yeah, it's really easy. So I've already got the supplies cut for us today, and don't worry about writing down any measurements or anything like that. We're going to have a link below that'll have all the information that you need in order to make this card. So we're going to start with our card base, the 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. This is just our general run-of-the-mill base. And let's see here, we're going to do one stamping. The smaller piece right here is going to be for our stamp. We're using this one right here, just a note. The stamp set is called Filled with Happiness. It's in our new mini catalog, the January through April of 2024 mini catalog we're stamping up. Love this one. So much fun to have all these different sayings in it. It also matches with our modern oval punch, which makes it even that much quicker. Okay, so for the inside of the card, I'm just going to glue our white piece to the inside. I'm going to take this 1/2 inch by 4 inch designer series paper, and I'm just going to put it at the bottom here. We're going to take this piece of our designer series paper and glue this directly onto the front. We're going to glue this piece, this designer series paper. Okay, so now we have that piece. We're going to come in with our real red ink, and we're going to stamp our sentiment. We'll come in with our punch. All right, so now for this piece, I'm going to turn it in the landscape portion. I'm going to come in with our white twine, and we're just going to tie a bow on the front. So this might take me a minute. We're going to take our dimensionals and we're going to put a few of them on the back of our sentiment that we punched out. And then we're going to take and put dimensionals on the back of this as well so that we can place it on the front of our card. So there we have that part. Now we're just going to go ahead and get some sparkle onto the front of the card. And we're just going to be using our basic rhinestones. All right, and there we have it, you guys. Quick and simple. Again, you can use this with any designer series paper. You can even stamp on the background. So I really hope you like this video. So please make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects and inspiration. Plus, if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly crafting inspiration, please make sure that you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can find the link to the subscription in the description of this video. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye.